Mexico is a country where the consumer is very involved in the laundry process. It is a way to express care, it is a way to express the deepest family love. Here we try to simulate different consumer situations in order to replicate almost the same process that the consumer do in their homes. Let's smell.
Yes.
Mexico is a quite unique place olfactively. We have some heritage in fragrances from the rest of Latin America, so we're going to have a tendency to see fragrances here that are a little bit more fresh and clean on the top.
That smells fantastic.
But also the American market has some influence. So all this mixture is really what makes the Mexican market unique olfactively.
And do we have any technologies that help us achieve just that?
So our pop scent technology, our fragrance encapsulation technology really deliver the level of freshness that is required on dry cloths in laundry. And also our halo scent technology, while also helping in laundry, can also help in cleaning products, and we can get this level of intensity and longevity of the fragrances that the consumer demands.
Let me talk about the surface care here in Mexico. So it's a category in which the fragrance plays a very important role. Consumers are really involved in the process. I mean, they like to get their hands inside the water, they like to smell, and they like to perceive the well-done job that they're doing inside their homes.